Good morning from Talkeetna.
This weekend, Tyler and I are staying in this brand new, adorable glamping setup that just hit the market this month. We'll give you a full tour of that later today.
And sneak peek, it might be one of the nicest ones we've ever stayed at.
Our goal for today and tomorrow is to find the best restaurant here in Talkeetna.
Are we gonna rank them again like we did Fairbanks?
We'll be ranking them in order of honestly just what tastes the best. I've done a lot of research over the last couple of days, and every single one of these 10 restaurants has a Google rating of over 4.5.
I tried to move around our schedule last night to eat somewhere. She wouldn't let me, so she really has done a lot of research.
The hours are very specific, Tyler.
They are.
We did actually make it into town last night.
Denali Brewery and Brew Pub.
It's actually two restaurants. They're like sister companies. One is in the town of Talkeetna and one is on the road out of Talkeetna. We went to the brewery. It's closer to our stay, and they apparently have a 2,100-foot tunnel where they grow their vegetables.
I did not know that. That's cool.
I didn't know it either until I did my research. So of course we had to get one of their salads and a pizza for Tyler.
A pickle pizza.
Honestly, they were both really good.
They were.
And Denali Brewery is now in our #1 spot.
#1.
If you've been watching our channel, you know that the first thing we're doing today is going to go grab breakfast. So on to spot #2.
All right.
Let's go. We of course had to stop at Nagley's to see the local cat mayor. They have a couple cats roaming around, so I'm never 100% sure which one it is. So this one may or may not have been the actual mayor. Welcome to Conscious Coffee. This is one of Tyler and I's favorite coffee shops here in Talkeetna. Conscious Coffee has a Google star rating of 4.6, so they're pretty high up there with the Denali Brew Pub. And even though it's super busy today, we have stopped for 2 coffees and their sunrise sandwich, added with avocado, pesto, and spinach. I won't lie, we demolished that bagel so fast.
Probably in like 2 minutes.
Because we're going to be trying 10 different restaurants over the next 2 days, a majority of our meals we're actually going to split because otherwise that's just a lot of food.
Too much. We might die.
All right, Conscious Coffee ranking in 3, 2, 1.
Number 1. That was the best. It was so flavorful.
That was a really good bagel. I loved the pesto on there. And on to stop #3, I guess. Stop #3 is the famous Talkeetna spinach bread. We've had them everywhere from the Girdwood Forest Fair to the Alaska State Fair, but we've never actually had them here in Talkeetna because they're always out of town at another event. So we're very excited to finally try it while we're in Talkeetna. Talkeetna spinach bread has a Google rating of 4.8, which is pretty high on our list of 10 best restaurants. We of course had to go with their famous spinach bread. They do have some other items like breakfast burritos and rhubarb crisp, which also sounds amazing, but we had to go with the classic. Talkeetna spinach bread ranking in 3, 2, 1.
2.
1.
I like that avocado pesto one.
Oh, but this one was so warm.
It was. I'll give it a #1. It was either #1 or 2.
We did this in Africa. Tyler just agrees with whatever I say if we disagree.
I'll give it. The next one though, I get to win.
Okay, so Talkeetna spinach bread is in
1.
spot #1.
Yep.
Okay, deal.
All right, deal.
Off to spot #4.
All right.
This is Why Not Barbecue. They actually have 2 different locations, one out here towards the main road and then one in town. But the one in town said they were already sold out. I think they were just closed, so we made our way to this one. Why Not Barbecue has a Google star rating of 4.8, so they are also really high on the scale. They recommended grabbing the brisket and the potato salad, so we got that, and we're gonna head back to Keetna Hideaway to enjoy it there. Welcome back to Keetna Hideaway.
We have some goodies.
This spot is not technically on our list of top restaurants, but there's a little food stand in the downtown area of Talkeetna, and they sell a fireweed lemonade that one of you recommended on Instagram, so we had to test it out.
Deborah loves lemonade, so.
We're not technically ranking this one.
Well, that's good.
But it's really good. This is a really hard ranking to do.
All of the places we've been to so far have been really tasty.
I do feel like the food in the summer is a lot fresher than the food in the winter when we visit.
Yeah.
Only because I think it has a quicker turnover.
Probably. Because in the winter, we aren't always impressed with the places in Talkeetna, but so far all 4 have been delicious.
Why not barbecue ranking in 3, 2, 1,
3.
3.
Wow, we agreed. Good job.
Perfect.
Yep.
Why not barbecue gets the 3rd spot. We're going to enjoy our glamping tent for the next few hours, kind of take a break from eating.
My stomach is starting to get full, so it's good to have a little break.
And we're going to give you guys a quick tour. This is the newest property here in Talkeetna. They just went live this month, and I feel super lucky that we get to be one of the first people to stay here. The drive through the property is absolutely beautiful. And this tent is one of the first of a few different sites that they're planning to have over the next couple years. Rumor has it they're working on a school bus and a shipping container conversion, so I'm very excited to see how those turn out. Once you get to the tent site, there's an entire bonfire area. They've got a solo stove, 2 nice chairs. They have an entire deck area which has a table to eat at, these 2 really nice lounge chairs, and a grill, which I don't think we'll be able to use this time since we're eating so many places already. I do have to say that inside of this glamping tent is one of the best that we've ever stayed at. All the furniture is so nice and cozy. They have a fridge inside, a little coffee cart, 2 lounge chairs. They left us a little goodie bag. They have a luggage rack, plus this mosquito racket and a watercolor guest book, which I've never actually seen before. Little twinkle lights you can turn on. There is also a bathroom on site with plumbing, which is huge when you're going glamping. They have a beautiful shower, a nice little kitchen space, and the best part is the gigantic tub with a window looking right outside. Hands down, one of the best glamping places we've ever been. They also have this community space where you can go play some yard games, read a good book, or just hang out and listen to some records. Spot number 4 on our list is the Salmon Spot, this bright red food truck behind us. They actually started off in Juneau, but after COVID and a lot of the cruises kind of taking over downtown areas, they were kind of forced out, and now they've made it to Talkeetna. Their Google rating is a 4.9, which I think is the highest out of all the places we've tried so far in Talkeetna.
It looks pretty good. They got salmon cakes or chowder or a burger. So a pretty limited menu, but hopefully it looks good.
First impressions? I'm not sure what to think about it yet. The Salmon Spot ranking in 3, 2, 1, 5. Honestly, the flavor was really good, I thought. But personally, I really like crab cakes to be a bit crunchy on the outside, and I think I would kind of like that for salmon cakes also.
Yeah, it just needs to be crunchier. It's just a weird texture.
But it was really tasty. Still really enjoyed it, and we're gonna head to spot number 6 now.
If you're in Alaska and want to try some salmon, it's a cheap way to try it.
For dinner tonight, we're actually stopping at 3 different places, so on to our second stop for dinner now. Spot number 6?
6.
Spot number 6 is the Burger Barn. This is actually a place that Tyler's been wanting to visit for a really long time now.
Every time we come to Talkeetna, it's always closed. And I always say, we should stop there. Oh, it's closed.
So today we're finally visiting. The Burger Barn has a Google rating of 4.5, and the burger we ended up going with is called the Talkeetna. It's basically a bacon cheeseburger.
Which is my favorite.
And we're gonna dig in. Burger Barn rating in 3, 2, 1, 5. You think it's better than the pickle pizza we had last night?
I do. I like the sauce.
I thought the fries were really good. It was just a little more well done than I usually like. I don't know. I feel like it deserves to be under Denali Brew Pub and Brewery.
I'm fine with that.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No, you can win. I'm good with that.
Tyler's tired. He doesn't want to play games with me right now. All right, so put it in spot number 5.
Yep.
All right. Off to our final stop for dinner tonight. The last place we're stopping today is the Main Street Coffee Shed. It is the only place on our list that has 5 stars on Google.
I have high expectations.
We got a matcha frappe and a mocha frappe. We're gonna see how they are. This is our final stop for dinner tonight, and it's really more of a dessert. Initial reactions?
All right.
Now, if I'm being honest, these are going to take us a while to drink through, and it's starting to rain right now. So we're going to bring them back to Talkeetna Hideaway. We're going to enjoy them back at our tent, and we should do our rating. These cafes are always hard because it's hard to compare ice cream or coffee to food. But Main Street Coffee Shed in 3, 2, 1, 5.
I could do 5. I was going to do 5, so I could do 5.
Put it in spot number 5?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm good with that.
Because it's really starting to rain.
Yeah.
We're going to go. See you back at the tent.
Good morning.
We are obviously still here in Talkeetna. We've gotten really lucky and we get to have another super cozy rainy morning, which if you watched our Shearwater Cove vlog, you know that's exactly what happened our last morning there. And I really love rainy mornings, so I'm excited about that.
It is nice and relaxing.
Tyler made us some coffee. We're gonna just enjoy here in like the outdoor patio space, and hopefully we get to see Bruce Moose because he hasn't popped out yet for us, and then hit our last 3 spots to eat in Talkeetna.
I'm hungry, so I'm excited.
We said goodbye to Talkeetna Hideaway, and we've made it to our 8th restaurant here in Talkeetna, the Flying Squirrel Bakery, which is rated on Google as 4.5 stars.
We have been here before, and it's actually really tasty, so I'm excited to eat here again.
And we're just really hungry in general because we haven't eaten breakfast yet, so here we go. We ended up getting a good morning sandwich and an iced coffee. We're obviously going to split this because we have 2 more places to eat at this morning. So let's do some first impressions. We were going to do this outside in front of the restaurant, but it started raining again. So we're going to do it in the car.
Can I look at our list?
I got to look at our list too.
I was like, I have no idea where I need to rank this.
The Flying Squirrel Bakery in 3, 2, 1, 5. Ooh.
I thought yesterday's frappe was really good, so.
That's true. I'd be okay putting it down then to the number 6 spot.
All right.
It was a tasty sandwich. The bread was a little crunchy to my liking.
Yeah.
But the flavor was good.
Yeah, they had a good sauce. Whatever that sauce was pretty tasty.
So that puts Flying Squirrel Bakery in spot number 6. And that means we have 2 left.
Oh.
Do you think someone will knock out the number 1 spot?
There's a possibility. We've never eaten at either of the next places.
There's a chance, you guys. All right, off to spot number 9. Spot number 9 on our list is the Roadhouse. They have drip coffee and something amazing called a Razzie, which according to their sign,
Raspberry jam on a cinnamon roll with cream cheese on top.
they only have drip coffee, so we got a drip coffee, and it's really busy. They also have lunch and dinner, I think, in their restaurant, but we were here for breakfast, obviously.
It looks delicious. First test, Deborah?
Tyler's getting cut off. Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
I also forgot to mention at the last bakery, they actually get all their fruits and vegetables from the husband's garden, which I thought is really cute.
That is cute.
And I wanted to add that. Let's do some first impressions.
Yeah.
Turns out they also have this really cozy couch. So we're going to do our ranking from here. Roadhouse ranking in 3, 2, 1, 6.
3. Wow, big difference.
How do we even... Really?
I loved there. I thought it was so delicious.
I'm kind of shocked. I don't even know how to meet in the middle for that.
I think it's above Main Street Coffee.
Okay.
Could you put it in 5?
I'm thinking of that pickled pizza.
That was a good pick.
And that was a really good pickled pizza.
I could go 5 if it's above the Main Street Coffee.
Should we meet at 5?
Yeah.
Dang, that was a really big gap.
Yeah.
I'm shocked. Why did you like it so much?
It was so delicious. The jam that was on it was so good.
The roll was really good. Probably one of the better rolls I've had in my life. Yeah, I can't. That pickled pizza. It was surprisingly delicious.
All right.
Spot number 5.
We'll put it there.
On to our very last restaurant. While Tyler chugs his second cup of coffee.
Are you a bunny?
Look at his little feet.
Oh my.
Funny burrito booth is getting really busy now. Wow. These are his little feet. The very last restaurant we're ranking this week is a Homestead Kitchen, which is behind me. You can't really see it because of this truck, but it's there.
Deborah always wants to stop here when we're in Talkeetna, but it's always closed in the winter.
They have a 4.5 star Google rating, and they might be taking the number 1 spot on our list. We'll just have to see. Ready to go eat at our last spot?
I'm ready. My stomach's ready for it to be the last one.
Let's go. This place is already full. We ordered the Gouda mac and cheese bites, which the people next to us also just ordered. We got the homestead pie because that's kind of like their signature dish. And we got a lemonade with Alaskan rhubarb syrup. So I'm very excited to try it. Let's do some first impressions. We have finished our final meal in Talkeetna. Are you ready to rank it?
I'm ready.
Homestead Kitchen ranking in 3, 2, 1, 8.
Oh, good job.
Yes. All right, that makes it official. Talkeetna spinach bread is our final winner in the number 1 spot.
That's impressive.
I actually didn't think they would win because they're so hyped up around the state of Alaska, but they really are really good.
They are.
Plus, honorable mention, of course, to Annie's, where we had our fireweed lemonade and Mountain High Pizza Pie. We love that spot. We had a pizza last night that we just didn't tell you guys about.
We were a little hungry late at night, and they were like, oh, we got to get a pizza.
So that is it. That is our 10 best places ranked in order of our favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys will join us for the next Alaskan adventure. So make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.